Welcome! If you want to change selfie video size in screen recorder into a HUAWEI MatePad 11, first step, need download and install X Recorder application, this one, from App Gallery. Then go into this application, and on the bottom we got settings option, so go into, then need scroll down and find camera option. Turn on this option, then into settings turn on one more time, draw over apps, click one more time, allow, and now we got our selfie video camera on our screen recorder. For changing size, need press and hold on this button, and we change our screen recorder camera size. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.